All users of the ELVI2 or Mobile Weight Watcher system must be trained on how to properly attach and take care of the rope or belt suspension sensors. The LSM sensors are electromechanical devices that must be handled with care. Do not drop or toss components. Store carefully in the protective foam case. Before attaching the sensor, adjust the diameter to approximate that of the rope. The measuring sticker on the side provides a rough size guide. When clamping an LSM XL sensor, always remember to close the side gate over the button. Failure to do so will likely cause the sensor to bend. Always close the center clamp first, followed by the top and bottom clamp in either order. Never force a sensor onto a rope. Strong clamping force is not required to attach a properly adjusted sensor. After clamping, check the cylinder. If it's exposed halfway on the green line, the diameter setting is correct. If the green line is fully visible, the sensor is too tight. If the green line is not visible, the sensor is too loose. If you need to adjust the diameter setting, only do so when the center clamp is fully open. For belt sensors, diameter adjustment is not needed. Simply choose the right company and model sensor, close the sliding gate over the tension button, and complete a clamp. Attach exactly one sensor to each rope or belt. It is not possible to extrapolate measurements when using fewer sensors than ropes, as each sensor deflection affects balancing and thus the total measurement. You can mix different sensor types, for example an LSM1 and LSM-XL, as long as the measured load for each rope is within the working range of the sensor attached to it. Always measure on straight suspended ropes. Avoid having sensors pushing up against each other, or at least limit touching by staggering sensors up and down or around sides and backs of ropes. If possible, avoid opening and re-clamping. If you move the sensor just fractionally out of position and clamp again, the measured load could be substantially different from the previous or actual load, as you are measuring a force exerted against preformed steel wires, which have memory. If you must open and re-clamp, move the sensor to another section of rope about a yard or a meter away.